Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix MacBook camera not working. So first method, you check your camera's screen indicator. And the second method, open your MacBook setting. Now go to privacy and security. Select this option and then you find your camera option and open the camera option and enable here camera access. After close this and restart your device. And the second method, open the browser and search here, type here google.com, then hit enter. Now click on lock icon. You will see here camera option. You enable the camera. After you can try. The fourth method, once again open your Mac setting. Now select here general option and then find here software update. Select this software update. You can see here update available. You update your Mac. After close this and once again restart your device. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.